Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening all. Welcome to BISP Solutions. So today we are covering remaining part of asset accounting in SAP. Okay, before this, let's do the quick revision. So this was our structure of asset accounting. There's asset master data and depreciation terms. Under asset master data, there is a asset class. Under what is asset class? Asset class is a group of assets like building, machinery, vehicle, and so many assets. Now, under asset class, we define account determination, screen layout, number range. Okay, then so what is account determination? Account determination is a key. Then screen layout. Screen layout is just like field status variant. It is used for which field you want to keep required, which field you want to suppress or keep optional. Okay, then number range. Number range you can maintain separate number range for each of the asset, or you can maintain same number range for all the assets. Then under asset class we define account determination key, screen layout, and number range. Also, then in depreciation term, under depreciation term also there is a screen layout. There is standard in SAP is 1000 and 2000. 1000 is for asset main asset, and whereas 2000 is for sub asset. Okay. Now, after this we created GL accounts. Then we integrated GL accounts, means we assign GL accounts. Then depreciation methods, depreciation key. I will show you some GL accounts which we were created. Now we created some GLs. I will show you. Select company. Okay, then asset, fixed asset we created. Then we created like depreciation on asset, machinery, then loss on sale of asset, loss on sale of scrap. Then we created accumulated depreciation. Then under clearing account we created asset contra account, asset revenue account, and technical clearing account. Okay, then we assign these ledgers to under AO90. It is a T code for integration of asset. Here we have to give our chart of depreciation A102. This is my chart of depreciation. Highlight this. Then see, this is machine account. Enter balance sheet. See, this is the APC. This is machine value. Then asset contra account we assign here. Then for retirement purpose we assign asset retirement without revenue. Then it means it is a scrap account. Then revenue from asset sale, then gain on asset sale and loss on asset sale. Thereafter we define depreciation account and accumulated depreciation account. Sorry. Now, so these steps are completed. Then depreciation methods. We saw depreciation method. There are base method, then declining method of depreciation, multi-level, period control method. Okay, then depreciation key. It is basically a key which is summarization of 4-factor like base value, declining balance method, multi-level, then period control method. So we have done this. Now we see balance transfer. These steps we need to see today. First is balance transfer. For balance transfer, go to SAP Easy Access screen. Here accounting, under accounting, financial accounting, then fixed assets, then posting, no, not posting, periodic processing. Under this year end closing and fiscal year change. 2 steps are there. First, balance carry forward. Here we have to enter ledger account, that is 0L, then company name A102 in my case, then carry forward to 2022. This is my current fiscal year. Basically I am carry forwarding my balances from 2021 to 2022. This is my current fiscal year. Okay, after this, first we say test run and execute. See, balance is 00 because there is no balance of previous year in this company. That is why it is showing 00. Then go back. Then the year end closing. Here we have to close the previous year, last year. It will take time, just a minute. It is taking time, just a minute. After this step, next step is creation of asset. As I already closed this, I just want to show you so I can create asset. So open one more session. I think we have to wait for it only. Now see, this is open. So from here I have to select my company. It is A102. Under this 0L ledger, see here what we have to do. Here just we have to enter your highest fiscal year. It means it is our current fiscal year. So that just type here your current fiscal year like 2022 and just enter. It will automatically fetch the previous year closed financial year. In this step we have to do this only. Okay, after this just save the data and go back. Now the next step is to create the asset in SAP. For creating asset, go to asset, click on create. T code is AS01. Now asset class I have to choose first. This is my asset class, this is my company code and number of similar asset 1. Enter. Now you can enter description here. Suppose this is a machine, so say machine part A102, copy. No, that's it. Then account determination. See, it is automatically fetching account determination because we assign account determination key under asset class. So when I selected asset class here, then it is automatically fetching account determination key. Okay, then serial number if you want to enter, then inventory number, quantity. If you tick manage history historically, then for this if you click here, then you have to fill some form. Anyways we can tick here, no problem. Then inventory details, if you want to fill you can fill. Then capitalized on, say it is a mandatory field because we mandated this field at the time of screen layout, field status variant. So I'm saying 0101 2023. Then time dependent data, see it is saying asset class ACM1 is not assigned to a firm, no problem. Then business area, cost centers, as I have not maintained cost center for assets, so I am not entering in nothing here. Then business area, location, room, profit center, segment, you can attach all these things here if you have such details. Then assignment, then under origin, vendor, if you want to enter vendor detail you can enter, but this is basically only asset master data and not purchasing master, only asset information. So I'm not entering any vendor detail, manufacturing detail. Okay, then if you have any leasing detail you can fill leasing detail like type, base value, capital lease or operational lease. Then depreciation areas, see if you want to deactivate any area you can click here, otherwise untick. Now book depreciation and taxable, then this is depreciation key. Then useful life is 10. If you want to change you can change from here. Then depreciation start date, say 0101 2023, 0101 2023. Then enter and save. So asset 50 is created. Go back. Now you can change the asset from here. AS02 is the code, AS01 is for asset creation, AS02 is for change any changes, and AS03 is for just display. So AS02, if you want to make any changes you can make. See, okay, go back. So then acquisition of asset. See, I will show you all these steps how to do, as there is some backend problem in my server, so I'm unable to post such document, but I will tell you the process and I will show you. So next is acquisition of asset. For acquisition of asset, go to postings, fixed asset, then postings, then acquisition, then external acquisition. F.F-90 is a T code without vendor. Now enter document date, say 12/01/2023. Document type is KR, company code is A102, then period is 10, as I have maintained from April to March, so this is 10th period. January is the 10th month. INR currency. Sorry. See, you can change currency from here if you want to change. Then document number, text, say machine purchased, then posting key is 31, select the vendor, DCD. Now here, see, we are purchasing externally, so here transaction type we have to enter it mandatorily. So this is external asset acquisition. There are many transaction type, you can select accordingly for what transaction you are doing. So right now I am doing purchase acquisition from vendor. Okay, so after this, enter, give amount 5,000. Sorry. Then business area, payment terms, say pay immediately. Then you can keep the payment block here as well. Then assignment, then text, machine purchase. Now next is posting key. See, posting key 74, asset purchase, whereas 75 is for asset, sale of asset or retirement of asset. Say retirement of asset at the time of debit asset, and it is for credit asset. So posting key here, I will show you it. Select from here. Asset debit posting key is 70. See, 70 debit account. See, we created right now fifth machine. Select this and then enter. As I told you, there is some issue, backend issue. So after this, just save the entry. Sorry. Okay, go back. Okay, you can create from by using F-90 T code. We have done with this. Now Asset Explorer. What is Asset Explorer? It shows planned as well as already posted asset values and depreciation of fixed asset in various format and level of summarization. Say Asset Explorer. T code is AW01N. Enter. Double click. See, here we will get all the asset details, whether planned or posted or comparisons, anything we can see from here. What asset during the year we purchased, what was the opening balances, what is the depreciation on the asset, and so on. But there is some issue in my system, that is why I am not able to post, purchase entry, sale entry, any entry. That is why it is not showing anything here. Okay, so you can use this feature to check the asset, what was the closing balance of asset. See, you can also do comparisons, acquisition value for the future year as well. Okay, for this you have to enter your company code, then asset number. See, if I give 4, then what? There is no data in any of the asset. Okay, APC transaction, then investment support, acquisition value, ordinary depreciation, unplanned depreciation, like everything you can check from Asset Explorer. Now transfer of asset and retirement. Now transfer within the company. T code is ABUMN. So you can transfer the asset from main asset to sub asset within the company or out of the company. So say this is asset. Here we have to fill such information like basic data. The company code is automatically fetched. Then asset also is there. If you want to change the asset, you can change the asset. Say asset number 1. Now document date, enter document date, say today's date. Now asset value date. Now additional details. So this is transfer variant. What is it? Gross method, net method, revaluation method, transfer within a company code. So we are transferring within the company code, and so many options are available here, so you can select accordingly. Then partial transfer, if you are transferring if you are not transferring full amount, then it is for that. And then reference, whether it is a prior year acquisition or current year acquisition, accordingly you can select. Whether you have purchased asset in current year, then you can take this one. Otherwise, if you have purchased your asset in the previous years, so you can select this one. Enter amount, then note. After this, just save this, as there is no purchase data in my company, so it will not take this one also. So this is the concept of transfer of asset, and this option is for intercompany asset transfer. Sorry. Now next is retirement. There is 2 options under retirement: with revenue and without revenue. So first is with customer, F-92. See, for acquisition F-90, and for retirement with revenue with customer is F-92. Double click on it, then just fill the date. Type is debit, DR type, then enter your company code. This is period. Say sale of asset, then posting key 01. Debit the customer and select the transaction type from here. As it is with revenue, retirement with revenue, say retirement of current year acquisition with revenue. Okay, then next screen, enter. Give the amount here, say 2000. Then business area, payment terms, say immediately. Then posting key 75. 75 is for credit asset. Now we are crediting the asset. Customer account debit to asset. Account, which asset you want to retire, as these are the asset details. Asset 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Say asset 4. Then enter. See, again there is the error, but like this, in such a way you can do the entry. Go back. Now this is retirement with revenue. Now ABAVN, it is for asset retirement by scrapping. When you scrap, you don't get revenue, as I explained you in the previous sessions. Now here, transaction data, just enter the date, as these are the mandatory fields. You can also enter accounting principle here, depreciation area. See, this is A102, accounting principle. You can select, then you can scrap asset. Additional details, posting period, document type. Yeah, this is mandatory. Document type is fixed asset. Now transaction type, without revenue, right? Retirement of current year, acquisition from investment means no. Current year acquisition without revenue, 250. Then partial retirement, if you want to retire partially, then you can fill the information here. Then again, prior year acquisition or current year acquisition, then note, then transaction data. So in such a way you can do all this kind of transaction. See, acquisition, then transfer of asset, retirement of asset, scrapping of asset. Next is depreciation run. For depreciation run, go to periodic processing, because it is a month-end activity. Depreciation run, execute. T code is AFAB, AFAB. Now here you can enter parameters like company code A102, then accounting principle. It is not a mandatory field. If you want to enter, you can enter. Fiscal year, say 2022. Now posting period, say 10th, because this is January, as I have maintained April to March as my fiscal year. After this, first to say test run and execute, as there is no data. That is why in my case there is no data, otherwise this is the procedure to run the depreciation. Sorry. Now, so we are done with asset part. Now there is one concept left in general ledger. I will explain you. Tomorrow I will go covering internal order. Yeah, document entry, Yeah, post with clearing concept. I will open one more session, FPL 3N. Whether there is open item or not. Document number 10 and 14. Okay, 2500. Fine. So this is the open item. Open item means which have not been paid. So let's pay this one so that I will explain you this concept. So 2500. First post with clearing F-04 is the T code for it. Then document date, say today's date. Then this is the document type, company code. This is outgoing payment. Now first entry was rent account debit to rent payable. Now we are paying. So first line item is 50. Now entry would be rent payable account debit to bank. Select bank from here. HDFC Bank. Enter. 2500. Choose open item. Then account. Select open item account. It is rent payable to. Click on process open item. See, from here, as I already showed you all the steps of payment, doing payment. First select all, then deactivate items, and we are paying this one, document number 10, that is 2500. Enter. Sorry. Now simulate. See, rent payable account debit and HDFC Bank get credited. Now post. So this document is posted. So right now it is, wait, go back and say all items. Enter. See, 2500 is moved from here due items and it is under cleared items now. 2500 today's date 12th. Okay, now we want to reset and reverse this item 2500. First go back. Yeah, now FBRA, reset cleared items. As we have just now cleared 2500 item. Clearing document, let me check once. Yeah, it is 17th. So it is picking correct one. Clearing document is this, company code is this, fiscal year is 22, and save. See, it is asking for only resetting or resetting and reverse. If I click on here resetting and reverse, so then what will happen? Only the due item will again will go on under this due item. But if I select only resetting, then this both item 2500 will appear under this due item. So first we do reset and reverse. We need to give some reversal reason, say wrong posting, wrong period, return of mistake, and these are created ones. So say wrong posting date, say today's date 12/01/2023. Enter. Clearing 17, reset. Let's go and check. See, right now it is under cleared items 2500 and 2500. Now I am refreshing it. Now see, 2500 is under open item now. As I said, reset and reverse. So it reversed the item. Now sorry. And see reversal. See 2500 come under came under due item, and now 2500. Earlier it was like SA. Now if I now I reverse the document, now it is AB. AB is reversal document type. So it is just like nothing is done before. This picture is. Now next is go back. Now first we pay first we do one entry, journal entry. Say FP50, enter. Document date, say today's date. Now GL account. Rent account debit. Amount, say, which is uncommon, 9,000. Rent payable, credit, and 9,000. Enter, simulate, and post. Let's go and refresh. See, 9,000 entry is there. Now it is due. First we make a payment. (12/01/2023). Outgoing payment, posting key, first line item is 50. It is for bank. And this is the outgoing payment. Enter. Amount 9,000. Now click on choose open items. Account, select the account from here. Say enter. Open item account is rent payable 2, and say process open items. Again select all, then deactivate items and double click on it. As it is not assigned is 0. Now simulate. See, rent payable account debit to bank account, save. Okay, now go back and refresh the list. See, right now 9,000 is under due items. See, now 9,000 is under cleared items. 9,000 and 9,000. Now again go to FBRA, reset cleared items. Now document type is, I think it is 19 only. Yeah. Yeah, it is picking the recent one. Save. now this time only resetting, clearing 100019 is reset. See, right now 9000 is under green, means it is cleared. Now refresh. See, now 9000 is under, both 9000 are under due item category. So this is the difference between reset and reverse. When we did reset and reverse, it means only it was a picture like anything has not been done before. But when I have done resetting, then see both the amounts are under due items. So right now what to do? Go back. See here both debit and credit are under red status. See here both debit and credit are under red status. Now F-04 1201 2023. Now we are clearing this document 9000 and 9000. Outgoing payment, posting key is 50. It is bank. Sorry, it is bank. Enter. Amount is no. Sorry. Select all, deactivate items. See, this time we have to click on both the entries 9000 and 9000. Not assigned is 0 and simulate. Let's refresh. See, now both are under cleared items and removed from the due items. So I hope you understand what is the concept of resetting and reversing and only reset, as we already did reversal of items, right? So okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.